You beat your bitch. You beat your buffalo. Your buffalo. Hey, you beat that, then we go ahead.
And we call it a day. Nayenga you come on board Rachel K, the princess of Toro. Bamwite omumbeja w'Toro. Hey, kuruno mbosera nalese omulide. Atesi muganda wange.
Akuse.
Muganda wange
yaita princess w'Toro.
Kuruno nange nalese yako.
Okay, and by the names of Carol Embosera, Lamba every single Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
We are always here on Muziki ABS TV. Ingatuba Wereza Lamba. I'm sending my regards to all you, to all of you watching ABS television. My old Zungu banange.
Which is okay. Are you trying? You know your English.
Come on, ABS television banange bamuziza ko nyina bane tomenya.
Don't defend yourself, no defense there. You have to pasuka. If it is Imbogo, it is okay. Hey, you continue. You say Yama Westi Mukwano Saluti. Everyone watching us in different areas. Bududa, Manaka, Fort Potro. Hey, Nimbara Mchiamuno Mwebalo kwa Mtumbwire ABS Vision.
This beautiful makeup is made by Ivana Frishami Beauty Salon. If at all you love them or you want to look good as we do, you can contact them on 0704 21 18 34. 0704 21 18 34. Frishami Beauty Salon. Elikawala after Pastor Igas Chacha, Blamba Lamba Jakuberanga Ate Owalaba, Bakola makeup akagenda ku mikolo, akenyimbe bakakola. What was it?
What do you make up when you make?
Katinza nalo musalebu nyinzo ogena mulumenga se kuve makeup.
Olobasa nyisechijabo. Ero genda kaba, ero jakaba makeup akuveko. Mulumbe tibakola makeup
ngarachi simukola.
Nawe.
Mulumbe ati wale okuzika n'olumbe.
Wali wabana bata. Wali
nere bata.
Kende wafe mukyalonga we kubezi makeup.
There is there are two different things. Going for a barrier and busting a disease.
It's called the busting a disease.
Yes.
Are you sure? I think it's called the busting a disease. Slowly.
English.
I didn't know.
And busting a disease, if you're going to bust a disease, you go for makeup.
It's okay.
Yes.
But when you're going for the barrier, don't apply makeup, right?
You can. It's very applied on Semanga's body.
That one has a problem. The husband.
Why not? I will also go with my makeup. Don't tell me. Falati body. Say, Omo msajja no tabasimu yange neka def.
You can use irreplaceable.
Kati chechino esimu yange okufa musajja afa.
Kasawulira. Nange obyogera kwataliko. Kasawulira.
Abutalabo. Akatsoya Irene and Shafi kwatoya kabuko kadana to shall be right back no muzikuya. Abera kotoba to come on the request zamwe. Uweleza obaka kunatu some naughty. Bili. Na omunyenya wose. Nganda mwe yogeza nemtsera. Tulinza chinavayo era wabina gwera. Oya mentagenda berawo. Bichibi. Ataina mwagala wakufa mama. Biri. Ambosera. Zubidi ya yiri. Osaka biri chena mubiri yaye
okozechi
ebintu ebimu bigwawo ogenda okulyanga bakuliye kumpi akoyo nebatandika akoyo kaweddemu
abazekafu
ogenda okulaba kalagambye nti kaweddemu nalabwadde kwasatu ngeri kwatano
omusajja kyetaga n'omukanga mukatolaba lava egenda kulaki ngagamba agayaye tegamutwala omukanze mukaawo
tugenderawo ate tunakola kirwa kyokka ayogedde enokola wanti I'm okay, how are you darling?
It's me, Annabelle.
Annabelle ogamba otya?
I'm okay, how are you? Today is English. I talk about
today is English. How are you, Nalongo?
I want a song.
Which song?
Like I Do by Chris Benina.
Like I Do, Chris Benina.
Can I love you so much? One day you come and I meet you.
Sure.
Yeah, greetings to my Rachel K.
Okay, thank you so much. kantwala out. Hello, caller. Hello. Ayaya, ndoza mtembo baka kankute. Hello, caller.
Hello.
One day.
This is Melokoti Sawambuzi calling from Nachifuma.
Hi, Melokoti Sawambuzi.
How are you, beautiful Carolina?
I'm okay. How are you?
We are here in Nachifuma Wairo tuning.
Wairo tuning in Nachifuma banange.
Tuning agency.
How I love your English, Melokoti.
Yes, me, I'm a farmer of a goat, but I can use all English and non-English.
You are what?
I can use all English and non-English, but you say I'm a farmer of a goat, but I can use all English and non-English.
Hey!
Me, I'm bad, man.
Why bad, man?
Hey.
Huh?
Now,
What?
you do you have a song of Kalo?
Of who?
Luzungulo Kalero.
Yes.
Hey!
Now, do you have a song of Matia?
Melukoti, keep practicing.
Melukoti, we will kill me one day.
Oh my God, you are farmer of a goatee.
Farmer of a goatee.
Hey.
We have no problem with you. But don't forget tomorrow, Pastor Iga Agustina Bizayo has Babi Tamata.
Counseling.
That's counseling.
Yes.
Kati tonga nokola kerako oja ku Revival Christian Church Ekawala. You can go to that tax park in Namirembe Road. The new tax park. Bagame jagazi Kawala.
You tell them one car is going to Kawala.
Interpreter.
Chokala
sake. Kakati namnange ngatugenda awo. Omusajja nga yafunye ebintu biro mukabya. Oburadde buno
afunye eki
atabadde mulwadde bafuna mwade millions 2 tewazirabye
njirendwale muko bampe ndoza baba basirebu karo
kulira ababbi
baloza kulimba njirendwale muko banayo iseyo gambe nti ndi mulwadde muzibu bwe baletanga nkutemerako sumulula baba million 2.
I'm just asking myself wile mukabya, did you see the bed wasula
nago bolingiririza ki
1 inch
kati gwe bado expecting ati mwabuzibu bwe mulina you think a celebrity kati nga gwe bwovudde yensi yone kutegedde America, China, Iraq, India, Fort Portal yensi no yamanye Fort Portal no je kitiibwa nabo bakutegedde kati tusuubira binene simanyi karo ina zi fulati simanyi ina zi benzi simanyi ina zino zi Mark X zi Barnabas ezo zonna motoka naye tujja kutuukako muganda wange
sipapajakumpayo
lindako kati wile mukabya bwaba 1 inch tikimusana alimba atya.
No, you guys, tulekera okumeza abantu amalala.
Tutya?
Tulekera okumeza abantu amalala. Tulekera okulimba abantu.
You
guys need to tell people the truth. If at all wokera ku my channel funa kazento bokunya mitwala 2, oba asatu tunachokola mukecha amagezi.
Asatu gakola ki? Asatu gakola ki?
Ogula omufaliso.
Obwekana kutya?
5 ku mukaga.
Omusajja ino vunanyizibwa ina abaana.
5 ku mukaga
ina abakyala
nakala tisa agule 4 ku mukaga ne inchemu.
Wile mukaga.
Musajja ayimide emyaka 18.
Ate mukuyimba muri musente.
Kale yandivuddeyo natugamba nti mulwadde sente ne bazisona ne bakwakinge bya Evelyn Lagwe. Twandaba nenga at least wotukakewe nga inayo sofa set.
Nange bana mawulire.
Inayo sofa set ezako.
Bana bebe mwagala muje katsinga abadde mugaga musuku.
Na yasa mujango okundaba.
Obalaba alwacho otya.
Ani
mujalumba.
Babulirirwa.
Abasawa zino.
Babulirirwa.
Babulirirwa. Lwakwa Katonda kuyamba wakolamu.
Washano we. Tonsudia. Sinakola. Nchakola. Waka sente nzeta agira ddala. Nenga all in all, we should at least try to improvise in our lives.
Kati mukabe nabe yalimba nti mugaga muzibu.
Not that when you look at the years mukabe yajabade mu industry muno, some people are making us at the industry. And they are making people out there okweta mwa industry no.
Kati mukabe nabe atamiza.
But yeah, wile mukabe yakola hit, yakola ku hits eziwera era nafuna sente.
Buvunanyizibwa kali.
Buvunanyizibwa ekikulu bazala nnyo.
Oche kugamba. Omwana yetaga soma yetaga kwambala omusajja de mukweba ko bulungi.
Bazala nnyo nazala wano nazala wano.
Weyeba kuyinje mboti
no kuwasa abakazi abangi nakyo si kirungi.
Abakazi that's not the case. Kuba ffe bye twagala which is okay. Ate no musajja naye no mukazi omunaye banange naye atama. Alingo obachi. batuletera otuvumya batamugamba nti oyo yaloga musajja ekisajja tekitambulako muwase bawaseeko
muve ku Rachel Obawabya naye you really have to work hard. Yeah, we really have to work hard. Ate bw'oba okola baako ebintu ebimu laying strategies z'ogamba kino kiri bwekine bwekiti okitegeera beerako ebintu ebimu bye weekutulako bwekera ku makya nga you have friends nga zezikuza emabega beekutuleko mikwano egitaggasa gyekutuleko egikuza emabega okitegeera osobola okubeera n'emikwano nga gyo gigenda mu maaso nga gwodda mabega naye ng'ate odda mabega just because of them. So if at all it's like that si butaba na magezi but omanyi mulimu abantu abamu kati nganze bwe makwaga nze bwe manjaga omuntu seyagaza naye tubamba sikwagalira amasiko
anti bagamba nti bw'oba oli embwa lya nzungu
okitegeera but waliwo n'emikwano egimu gye bagituzza emabega waliwo ebintu ebimu bye tukola mulamu nga bizza mabega kati kuwasa wano wasena wali olyankuzibwa kuno nakuli ng'ebizibu bifuuka ng'ebizibu so saagala nnyo nze okulaba abantu nga they are in that condition nti ate aveeyo asabirize ate asabirize it doesn't make sense.
Okusaba kuli everywhere ola ne uti brand wano yavayo n'asaba obuyambi but from nowhere niye kaza nsimanyi
kale okusabiriza kusobola okubeera nga kuli okuke mama fena yagambye agenda kujjanjaba wire mukabya nene wamujjanjabira wamulwaza bannange katukole ku nsimbi zana ate tubeere nga tukoma tukyusanamu as you know our things today is a Friday English songs only we are coming back with your SMSs and let's go for a short commercial break then we shall be right back don't press your button but now for our coronation we love you so much bulamba together zeyitamu ku stupidi ya yiri onagambye I love you so much guys butemwe bale kuwereza okay onagamba amkatende drop me kwelaga by Sabwana Toro onagamba hello dears please play for me together by Rude Boy. I'm Elizabeth from Luwelo goes to Bentley Katel Rachel best baby thanks thanks love okay hello Carol I'm Lilian please drop me a slow by Made Steady bulamba kupendi ku muziki yo onagamba misetwa hili enkwagala nnyo Carol mwe bale kuwereza ndabira Rachel ke ate dosaba kibako oluzungu akayima ko oluzungu akatidde
tukagatewo tujabuwa
abantu batya oluzungu banna
na oluzungu lwitalwa
naye nze nekaza hello Kola hello wanje nali TV ye hello wanje ogamba Patrick how are you wanje
How are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you, Patrick?
I'm okay.
You're fine?
From Wantoni?
Yeah, Patrick from Wantoni.
Drop me by Odisha M.
It is in Luganda now with Patu. Hello, Kola. Hello?
Ate Patu had started things well.
Hello? Ayaya. Katulabono oli ali ku TV. Hello? On fire, Olisha A. Bonfire, Olisha M. Oluzungu kyatugenda tukola. Hello, Kola.
Hello.
Wanje.
Yabaliko.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay, darling.
Hello.
Hello, I'm getting you. Hello.
I'm Elizabeth.
Elizabeth from?
Elizabeth from Luwelo.
From Luwelo. How is Luwelo, Elizabeth?
Luwelo is fine.
Then that is good.
Yeah.
Which song should we drop for you?
Yeah, kindly play for me. Together by Rude Boy.
Together by Rude Boy.
Yeah, goes to Bentley.
Okay, Elizabeth, thanks for watching ABS TV. Hello, Kola. Yes, please.
How are you, baby girl?
I'm okay. How are you, dear?
This is the promoter Sevaduka from Samanayo, the Chisoga.
How are you, promoter Sevaduka?
I want a song.
Which song?
Okay, as by Pastor Bugende.
Yeah, vanera kwa title ya Luzungu mutulina.
Yeah, Luzungu.
But that song is not in English.
Kale ebitako bya Luganda naye munange title eri mu Luzungu. Sinera kya bakolera. Kasabe Irene atuwayo kamuko kako photo vow sabula Irene. Babakaita Battlefield bulamula makumuzika bya Slow Vision. If you want this pretty makeup babaita banafe abapressure mi wali ekawala after Pastor Gas Church ojja kuberanga obalaba basomesa makeup basomesa kusiba enviri basomesa gwe okuzisala abagala okuyiga okola facial abagala okuyiga okola pedicure ne manicure banafe abapressure mi wali babisomesa ate era babikola gwabetaze osobola okujja ekawala oba no banonya ku noti musanvu noti nnya 21 18 34 noti musanvu noti nnya 18 bebanafe abapressure mi beauty salon
bagana kwa bakutereza bulungi nnyo mukwano tobeereye ate munange nogamba nze bannange ebiviri bikoze bitya jangu ne buno obuviri bwe tuteeseeko akembe osera n'akange beba bututeeseeko jangu ofune new look mukwano bakuba makeup agenda kwa sazaalawo n'akulabako n'agamba kyekyo mukwano oli ku point mutabani webale kuleeta omwana ali ku point banonyeeko ku 0753 755.
Okay. Bulamala mamusuba gasinga abizayo ona Korencha Ramkaga aina counseling kera misinde ojo ku Revival Christian Church ekawala agenda mu tax park empia eyo kuna membero de baga menjagala agenda kawala bulambala off net tax conductor mugame bila mu kuchacho musuba gasiniga bulambala moja kuberangula gawo jango osumulure gwena business yagana emirimu jote gitambula enti ate omuchala yagana ate omwami yemamaza jango mwogere buli kimu kijja kuberanga ate kiterera awuvanyuma rokuberanga ate bwatyo akusabira mu meeting a one on one behind the cameras tukozene Gloria wamne mwana muwala Angel Malaika bachikwasaganya magezi mu control room tsine Irene wa ino omubwati achikwasaganya mu magezi Irene wa ino omubwati
ngochogeza manyi
ne Shafiki wembosera omubwati ate mwagala kati kwa gamba nenda happy birthday to you Avon Sirimu banangale birthday Avon Sirimu happy birthday to you tata ane Irene nakazibwe tokolanga naye wanonga akola wali ali amachama lungi ngakola ne program eyitibwa bali wajite banda kutosula myaka kati wajita sibyangu ya Irene nakazibwe happy birthday to you baby girl tukwagaliza birungi byerere Avon Sirimu happy birthday to you kwa gama mkodomi wawano happy birthday
happy birthday to you nango wezeze meka rokwe myaka tebajoga
Avon yakonyana wanakutudde
nawe leka mukuzanyo boto
Aboni babasajja abayimbedda. Aboni ya backing ako wakagane kafero watanafa. Ya mu backing ako. Aboni akutudde wanno.
Nange. Kongzi mukwano. Wabale kula ate emyaka kyekisi.
Akutudde wanno wanno.
Kutula.
Kati era musanze wembali Lydia sidamukiza Avoni kumpita baba. Lydia ya inokita Avoni baba Avoni.
Abo kama sikyali kusaizi ya Avoni. Abo kyali kusaizi za fe. Yakedde.
Yagenze nengugu.
Yangobye. Yangobye ku birthday.
Ndozale yamusubiza omufumbira birthday.
Genda. Ndozale naye banange.
Ai atobata wanye. Sina lugambo sija byogera.
Mama leke mirembe.